the IUPAC name of the first compound. Here in this compound we have carbon chains of equal length. This is one carbon chain, longest carbon chain containing 5 carbon atom. This is another carbon chain, 5 carbon. This is also 5 carbon chain. So in this case, the more branched carbon chain is selected as the parent chain. So we select this as the parent chain. It contains 3 branches, 2 methyl groups and 1 ethyl group. Now it can be numbered from any direction because the substance get a same number from either direction. So I am putting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the numbering. Ethyl group come first in the alphabet, so it should be named first. The position number of ethyl group is 3. 3 ethyl, 2, 4 dimethyl, 5 carbon atom, hence pent. Single bond only, pentane. 3 ethyl, 2, 4 dimethyl, pentane is the compound. Now see the next compound. Here the longest carbon chain is selected. So this is the carbon chain. And it should be numbered such that the substituent attached carbon get the lower number. So we number it from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Methyl group on carbon number 2. So 2 methyl butane. Now the third compound. Here the longest carbon chain containing the functional group, that is double bond, is selected as the parent chain. And we need to number the carbon chain such that the functional group get the lowest possible number. So this is the functional group, C double bond C. So double bonded carbon atom is given priority. This carbon atom is given number 1. So we numbered the carbon chain from right side so that the double bonded carbon atom get lowest possible number. This methyl group is on carbon number 3. So this is 3 methyl. Word root is but, 4 carbon atom. But. Position number of double bond 1. But 1. 3 methyl. But 1. Next compound, triple bonded compound. So this is the functional group, carbon-carbon triple bond. So we select this as the parent chain. Triple bonded carbon atom is given number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third carbon atom, methyl group. So 3 methyl, but, 1 YNE is the name. Next compound. Here we need to select the longest carbon chain containing the functional group. Carbon-carbon double bond is the functional group. So in the carbon chain, the double bonded carbon atom should be there in the carbon chain. So this is our parent chain. Longest carbon chain containing the double bond is selected as the parent chain, and we number it from right side so that the double bonded carbon atom get the lowest possible number. So here we have 2 substituents, CH3 groups on carbon number 2 and 3. So 2, 3 dimethyl but 1 is the name. Next compound, we have a benzene ring, CH3CHO, aldehyde. When benzene ring is attached to a carbon chain containing a functional group, aldehyde is the functional group. Phenyl group is considered as a branch or substituent. And this parent chain is this one. This is the parent chain. And the aldehyde carbon atom is given number 1. 1, 2, 3. Second carbon atom contains the phenyl group. This benzene ring, when it comes as a branch, we name it as phenyl. Phenyl group is on carbon number 2. So 2 phenyl. 3 carbon containing aldehyde, word root propanol. 1 al or 1 is not needed, you can write propanol. 2 phenyl propanol is the compound. Next compound, it's a ketone, C double bond O. Ketonic functional group is present, so we need to, this is our parent chain. We need to number it from left side so that the ketonic carbon atom get the lowest possible number, that is 2. 3-methyl butane. Position number of the ketone 2. On. Suffix for ketone is on. 3-methyl butane 2 on. Now the next compound CH3CO. This is again a ketone. Select the longest carbon chain containing ketone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you select this as the parent chain, 5 carbon atom. If you select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you select this, there is only also 5 carbon atom. So 2 carbon chains of equal length. So what to do? The one containing more branches. So we select this as the parent chain because it contains 2 branches. Now we need to number it from left side so that it's okay. The ketonic carbon atom get the lowest possible number. It contains ethyl group on carbon number 3. So 3-ethyl 4-methyl 5 carbon atom, hence pend. Single bond only, hence pentan. The last E should be replaced by on. 2 on. Position number of the ketone. Pentan 2 on is the compound. Now let's see how to write the structure from the UPSC name. 2-ethyl 4-methyl hexane 1-ol. Here you can see hex. Find out the word root. This is hexane. So how many carbon atom? 6 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane means all the carbon-carbon bonds are single bond. Now you can number from any direction. I numbered from left. 4, 5, 6. 2-ethyl. Second carbon atom. 1 ethyl group is present. 4-methyl. Fourth carbon atom. 1 methyl group is present. Then hexane 1-ol. First carbon atom. Ol means OH group is present. Alcohol. This is the skeleton. Now we can fill the remaining valencies putting hydrogen. Last carbon atom 3 hydrogen. This is the structure. Second compound 5-methyl hept 3-in-1-al. Find out the word root. Hept. Hept means there are 7 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon atom. Number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now fifth position there is a methyl group. On fifth carbon atom there is a methyl group CH3. Third carbon atom in. That means third carbon atom is double bonded. Means third and fourth are double bonded. 1-al means first carbon atom is an aldehydic carbon. CH double bond O. This is the skeleton. Now we can put hydrogen. CH2, CH double bond CH, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is the structure. But-2-enoic acid. But means there are 4 carbon atom. Total number of carbon atom in the compound is 4. But-2-ene. Number it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-ene means 2, 3 carbon. C2, C3 carbon atoms are doubly bonded. Oic acid means it is an carboxylic acid. Means carbon number 1 is the acid group. Carboxylic acid, carboxylic carbon atom will be number 1 always. This is the skeleton. CH, CH3. This is but-2-enoic acid. Contain a double bond and a carboxylic acid. 5-chloro-3-methyl pentan 2 on. So the word root is pentan. So we need to draw 5 carbon chain. 5 carbon atom. And we need to number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 on means second carbon atom is a ketone. This is a ketone. Where is the ketonic carbon? Second carbon is a ketonic carbon. 5-chloro. Fifth carbon atom contain chlorine. 3-methyl. Third carbon atom contain methyl group. Now put the hydrogen CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl is the structure. 3-bromo 1,2 dichloropentan 3-ol. Pentan. Word root is pentan. 5 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number the carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 bromo. Third carbon atom contain bromine. 1, 2 dichloro. On carbon number 1 there is a chlorine. Carbon number 2 also a chlorine atom. Pentan 3 ol. On the third carbon atom what is present? Ol. Ol means OH group. This is the skeleton. Fill the valencies by putting hydrogen. Here no hydrogen is the structure. 2,3-dihydroxy 4-methyl pentanal. Again pend. Pend is the word root. 4 carbon atom. Pentanal means, and it is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. Pentanal. Al means it's an aldehyde. Where is the aldehyde carbon atom? Here. The first carbon atom itself is the aldehyde carbon. 2, 3. Second and third carbon atom contain OH group, dihydroxy. Hydroxy group means OH, OH functional group. 2 OH groups are present. Now 4-methyl. One more carbon atom is needed because it is pentan. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pend. 4-methyl. Fourth carbon atom contain a methyl group. CHOH, CHOH, CH, CH3, CH3. This is the structure. Now 4-chloro-3-methyl but 2-ene-1-ol. Find out the word root but. 4 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. Number the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-chloro. Fourth carbon atom contain a chlorine atom. 3-methyl. Third carbon atom there is a methyl group. But 2-ene means second carbon atom is doubly bonded. Second and third double bonded. 1-ol. First carbon atom contain an OH group. Ol means OH group on carbon number 1. Now CH2, CH double bond C. Here no hydrogen needed. Already 4 valence is filled. CH2Cl. Now the last compound 1-ethyl, 2-methyl cyclobutene. So this is cyclobutene. Cyclic compound containing 4 carbon atom. So we can draw a cyclic compound with 4 carbons. So each of these junctions are carbons. No need to write carbon there in the bond line structure. Butene means double bond is present. And that double bonded carbon atom, one of the double bonded carbon atom, we put 1, 2, 3, 4. 1-ethyl. First carbon atom, there is an ethyl group. C2H5 group is present. 2-methyl. Second carbon atom contain methyl group. 1-ethyl, 2-methyl cyclobutene.